Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now you're watching this video because you're trying to find a working method on how to get Alan Wake 2 on any platform for free. So you're going to be able to get Alan Wake 2 for free on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, PC, Steam, and it only takes a few minutes. This is going to give you a digital game code that you can simply redeem, and it's going to start downloading. And this is definitely the best method to get Alan Wake 2 for completely free. So let me record my screen on my mobile. So grab your mobile phone and follow these steps that I'm going to show you now. So open up an internet browser, go to this website. You can already see it there. You need to go to www.speedycoupons.com. so make sure you type it exactly how you've seen it typed here, because you need to go directly to this website, guys. In this website they have literally hundreds of different pages, so hit the search bar at the top and search for Alan, and yeah, you can see it there at the top. It says Alan Wake 2 free game code. Click on that to open the page up and scroll down. You can see there's thousands of these codes remaining, and they've never run out of codes. So yeah, you should be able to get one, and you have to select which platform you want to get the game for. I personally have an Xbox, so I'm going to be getting a Xbox copy of the game. So click on show code, and it basically confirms your choice. This is a free digital copy of Alan Wake 2 for Xbox consoles. And you can see here, guys, there is part of the code, but we need to unlock the remaining characters. Essentially, these codes are protected, and this game is pretty expensive, so as you can imagine, people try and steal all of the codes, so this just prevents that. So tap unlock code. Now the next step takes around 5 minutes, but it's very important to complete because this will unlock a game code. So you can see here, guys, we need to follow the instructions on this screen, and yeah, so let me just read through it. We need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below, follow the instructions below each one. This will verify you're not a bot. So you can see here I have a list of completely free tasks. These can range from downloading and playing some free games to answering short questionnaires. You have to just select 2 that you don't mind completing. They're always going to be free, and they do only take around 5 minutes to complete. So I'm going to choose 2 tasks on this page, and then I'll come back once I've fully completed them. So this one here, as an example, I have to download this game and then play it until level 10. So yeah, let me do 2 and then I will return. So guys, just went ahead and I completed 2 tasks, so that did actually take me around 10 to 15 minutes. I basically downloaded 2 of these games and then played them until I got to the required levels. But yeah, you may get different tasks. If you're in the US, for example, you may see some questionnaires, probably a little bit more variation than what I've got here, but yeah, there's always going to be tasks that you can complete. So now I've done those, I'm going to press the tabs button, and because I've completed 2, I've got this tab down here, down here on the left. Click on that, and it's now released my digital game code for Alan Wake 2 when I can redeem this on my Xbox, and it's going to download the game. So there you go, pretty easy. Definitely the easiest method. It does take around 10 minutes to complete, but it's pretty simple as long as you follow all of the instructions and go to speedycoupons.com. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hit that like button. If you need any help getting your free copy of Alan Wake 2, leave a comment below. I'm always willing to help you guys out. Consider subscribing if you have not done so already, and I'll see you next week when I create a new video. So have a great Christmas. Peace.